Okay, so we're here at the NDRC. It's time for the quick 8. So naglabasan na yung mga talagang mga tunay na nga pangarira. So dito tayo pagpwesa sa finish line para we get to see how fast, or we get to have an idea of how fast they really go. So an example of a quick 8 car would be this one. Chris Arts. Champion din yung kotse yan. So we're expecting a lot from him in this leg of the race. So ito ang finish line eh.
Dito tayo. Yeah, dito tayo.
Ay! Something's wrong. Nag-cut off. All-wheel drive. There you go. Oh my God. Going to be the fastest still. Well, actually, it's the fastest GTR in the Philippines pa rin naman na ngayon. So yan si Tsunami.
Why Honda?
Because staging lanes love Honda. And staging lanes has been in the industry for a very long time, and it's the home for the one of the fastest Honda Civics in the Philippines. Pag grab food mo, yun ang nag-deliver, puta lahat.
Tatapon lahat yun.
Oo, tapon lahat yun. Hello. Champion? First place, congrats.
Congrats.
So if you're from the Pampanga area and you're looking for one of the best builders in the country, here is Mr. Tyron.
Hello.
Ayos lang, breakout. Uwi na, aga. Hello. Okay. So another top tier group is here in this paddock. Ito mga all-star. If you're looking for the best tuner in the country, si birthday boy. Sana birthday? Sana birthday?
Delete mo yung face ha.
So that's King Kong. Scary. Level of racing, lahat ng maliit na mga detalye tulad ng alikabok sa track, buhangin, etc. comes into consideration. So yes, kailangan ipagpag. And here we go. Jonathan Chu. Drive. namatay. Hala. Tangina, ano, wheel spin the whole truck. Wheel spin lahat, no? Pumasok nga. Nakita mo naman, kahit pangarera na kotse at this level, ang gamit na battery Motolite, diba? And the champion, the champion, the champion,
Congrats, papi.
Tol, buti na lang tinanggihan kita. Buti na lang tinanggihan kita, kundi tangina naglag. Axel. 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 Oh, tulak, tulak. Sexy Love and Jeff Santon. Go get him, Tiger! Malapit na yan! Good luck, champion ha! Tanda mo na, nakakarera ka pa rin. Ilang taon tayo nagkikita dito ah.
Pare, alam mo naman tayo eh.
Good luck ha. Source in the house.
Gusto naman ang racing scene niyan.
Si Carl Makaisa, bibigyan ko na isa.
Makarami na ako ngayon.
Nakarami na.